NVIDIA's Nemotron 3 Ultra is getting tons of attention and for good reason. It is a massive 550 billion parameter AI model that shows impressive results across different benchmark tests. And the good part, you can use it for free. So in this video, I will show you how you can set up Nemotron 3 Ultra using NVIDIA's API and OpenCode. So let's get started. Alright, first of all open any browser and go to build.nvidia.com. The link is also given in video description. And here you have to log into your NVIDIA account. And if you don't have NVIDIA account, you can visit this link and sign up for NVIDIA account. Check the link in video description. So anyhow, create an account and log into build.nvidia.com. Now let's click on this models option. And here you will find different AI models that are hosted by NVIDIA. And we are looking for NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Ultra 550 billion parameter AI model. So I will simply search for Nemotron. And here it is. Nemotron 3 Ultra 550 billion parameter AI model. And you see a free endpoint is available. So let's click on it and then you will see this page. If you can't find, you can simply go to this link. The direct link is also given in video description. And from here we just need the API key, not the code snippet. So you can simply click on this generate API key and it will generate an API key here. So you can copy this API or you can simply go to your profile icon and then click on API keys. And you can generate API keys from here as well. So I will recommend you to create API key from this interface. Name your API key anything and select any expiration duration and then hit generate key. So you simply copy this key and keep it somewhere. Make sure you copy. If you lose it, you have to create another API key. Okay, once the API key is ready, let's install OpenCode. And if I go to opencode.ai/download, you will see option to install OpenCode Terminal or OpenCode Desktop on different devices. I am on Windows, so I will install it using npm. However, OpenCode recommends you to install using WSL for better performance. Anyway, I will use the npm, not the Windows subsystem for Linux. Let's copy this code and open terminal on my PC. So I will simply search for terminal and open this app. Now before you install OpenCode, make sure Node.js is installed on your PC. Let's verify. Simply type node -v, then press enter. You see I am running version 24.15 and also check the npm version, npm-v, just to make sure Node.js is installed to the latest version. Now let's paste that command to install OpenCode. Simply paste this command and hit enter and it will take some time to install the OpenCode on your terminal. Wait till the process is complete. And once it is done, let's verify. Simply type OpenCode then -v and press enter. And you see it is installed and running version 1.18. Alright, now let's create a folder where I can create and save all my projects. So I will simply create a folder in any drive where I want to save my projects. Let's create a new folder and name it anything that you want. I will name it like my projects. And open this folder and launch terminal inside this folder. Right click and open in terminal. And now we have to connect our NVIDIA API key with OpenCode. We could have done it earlier before creating the folder, but no problem, we can do it now. So simply type OpenCode then hit enter and then you will see this interface. Type in here /connect then hit enter and you have to select the provider. There are different providers available but we are looking for NVIDIA. So simply search for NVIDIA, select it and then hit enter. Use the keyboard arrow key to select and then press enter. Now paste that API key that you got from build.nvidia.com and then hit enter to submit this API key. Now it will fetch all the AI models that are available at build.nvidia.com. But we need to use the Nemotron 3 Ultra 550 billion parameter AI model. So let's select this one first highlight and then hit enter. Now select the variant. I will choose the high model. Then press enter and you are done. You see, it is running Nemotron 3 Ultra AI model. Now let's say hi to this model. And I got the response. It is quite fast as well. So now you can use this model inside OpenCode for your coding purpose. Alright, now let's create a landing page for a matcha brand. So I will simply copy and paste a ready-made prompt here and then hit enter on keyboard. And it started working on my landing page. It is installing some dependencies and then writing codes. And after a few minutes, I got this result. You see, it is running on localhost and the landing page looks good. Not the best, but it is good. Anyway, that is not the end goal here. You can design or create anything that you want using this model. Or you can use it to fix any bugs or error inside your existing code. Apart from Nemotron 3 Ultra, you can use any other model that are available for free on OpenCode. Let's say you hit the rate limit for Nemotron 3 Ultra, then you can simply switch to any other model. Simply type /models and then choose any other model that are available for free. Like you can use GLM 5.2, DeepSeek V4 Flash or any other model that are available for free and continue coding. For example, if I select DeepSeek V4 Flash model, then you see it is working without any problem, without any extra setup. So this is how you can set up NVIDIA's Nemotron 3 Ultra for free and use it with OpenCode. And in my next video, I will show you how you can set up it with Cloud Code. And that's all for this video guys. Hope this helped. If you are new to this channel, then I create videos around PC, software and AI stuff. If you find it helpful, you can subscribe and I will see you in my next one.